Hey guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 11. It is now like 2 p.m. And I got a little bit of footage of Mom foiling, but we have been working all morning. Are you happy to be back? No. Anyway, so I've been cutting all morning. She's been foiling all morning. I have got some shirt packages, where are they, here, that I'm about to go home and do. And then I'm going to be back here tomorrow. We're trying to finish the rest of the Black Friday orders so that I can get them shipping on Monday. But let's do socks really quick. I just showed you guys outside. It is raining really hard, and I need to go get poor Ozzy because I'm sure he is terrified. Okay, day 11. Mom's taking over. Because I didn't vlog yesterday, here was day 10. Super cute. That's actually the only clip I got yesterday was me opening these socks. Okay, day 11. Oh. Oh, he's doing little snow angels. Isn't that cute? Cute. Okay, so that was day 11. Can I have my camera back? Oh, anyway, so it is, like I said, what time is it, 2? Mother. Anyway, so I'm going to head back home now. I'm going to press some shirts when I get there. I need to stop and get some food. I'm not eating. But yeah, we've got all of these, plus, trying to get them, guys, all of these. We've got a huge stack that got foiled this morning, and then all of these. So yeah, we should be good to start getting the rest of these out. A lot of them have already shipped, but we're still working on some of them. So I am going to go home. I'll show you guys some shirt stuff, I guess, when I get there. You want to say anything? To show you our shirt. Oh boy, okay. Hey guys, it is now much later. I came back here, I've been doing shirts. I've got a few boxes of what I have been missing for a few orders that came today, so I'm about to get those open and then finish them. I just made a quick run to the store to get some food for dinner, and then I took the dogs in the pouring rain to go for a walk, which was wonderful. I loved that for all of us. Anyway, so I'm gonna get these done really quickly. I'm going back to work tomorrow. It's now been like, I don't know how long since I've taken a day off. I'm so tired. But we're almost finished with all the Black Friday orders, so I need to go tomorrow and hopefully I can get everything done so it can be shipping on Monday. There's mud everywhere in the house because it's been raining all day. Aspen's about to go play in it some more so she can bring some more mud in. But I am gonna do these shirts really quickly, and I'm gonna take you guys with me and just kind of show you. I'll show you me pulling the designs off like I did last time. I feel like that's slightly more fun to watch. And then I'm thinking that today is going to be the last day that I do Vlogmas. It just is getting very repetitive with what I'm doing. Maybe I'll try to throw in a couple, like if something is going on that day. Oh, sorry, the TV's on. But as far as me doing every single day, I feel like now I'm just repeating everything that I'm doing, so I'm probably gonna go ahead and stop. And also, you guys have to be bored. I'm doing the same thing every single day. Aspen, let's go do shirts.